Meteorologist Kaiti Blake here. This is your Oncor weather current video update for Wednesday, April 30th. Wednesday is a day to stay weather aware. Severe weather is expected across a good portion of Texas today, with the most elevated severe weather risk across parts of North Texas. Those of you up in the Texoma region near the Red River, flooding continues to be a concern there. You've gotten a lot of rain. More is possible today, and that could lead to some flooding issues through basically tomorrow morning. After we get past today, storm chances are lower for the rest of the week and into the weekend, but we are going to see daily storm chances continue across different parts of the state for the next few days. But let's focus on the task at hand. What do we have coming at us today? Well, we've got a severe weather risk that peaks at a level 3 out of 5 for the orange area. But as you get into parts of west central Texas, we've got a pretty large part of the state that's a level 2 out of 5. But in this orange area, that's where the most elevated severe weather risk is. And this is also where storms will be capable of all severe hazards, including tornadoes, large hail, damaging straight line or non-tornadic winds, and also flooding. So all risks are on the table today. I don't say that to scare you, just want you to be prepared for what we're expecting to see as we get into Wednesday afternoon. Now, by midday Wednesday, a batch of storms will have moved into North Texas. This has been moving west Wednesday morning, kind of between I-20 and the Red River. This is expected to move through the Metroplex in North Texas by late morning into the early part of the afternoon, and these storms could linger into the afternoon hours, and we could see additional new thunderstorm activity develop even after that initial batch of storms moves through. Notice out across West Texas, some more thunderstorm development there. Now, as we get past sunset, the storms that initially arrive in North Texas will start to move east and south into parts of east and central Texas late this evening into the nighttime hours. As these storms move into east and central Texas, the severe threat should drop, but nonetheless, it may be a bit noisy at times later tonight for eastern and central parts of the state. As we get into Thursday, it's going to be a pretty quiet day for most of us, but some isolated thunderstorm development is possible, mainly across parts of east and central Texas, but coverage of storms tomorrow is going to be much lower than what we'll be looking at today. Flood watch until Thursday morning for areas northern parts of the Metroplex, Denton and Collin counties, but mainly along the Red River, Wichita Falls, Gainesville, Bonham, Paris. Some areas here could see 3 to 4 inches of rain. Most spots probably up to about 3 inches, but there could be a few localized areas that see 5 to 6 inches of rain. So flooding also a concern, along with the other severe weather hazards we have on the table. So overall, just make sure you're staying weather aware, connected to what's going on in your area. That includes things like road closures, road conditions. Just check on things before you head out the door in the mornings or in the afternoons. Make sure you have a way to receive severe weather alerts. Double check that storm safety kit and review your severe weather plan with your household. Here at Oncor, we've got a lot of helpful resources for you when it comes to all things spring storms. You can find really helpful information on our website, also on the My Oncor mobile app. And if you haven't signed up for My Oncor alerts yet, that is a really easy way to get up-to-the-date information sent directly to your mobile device. To sign up, just text REG to 66267. Here at Oncor, our personnel closely monitoring weather conditions across the state. They are going to be active and plugged into what's going on and ready to respond to any potential weather impacts today. So beyond today's severe weather threat, we get a break here in North Texas on Thursday, but more scattered storms possible on Friday, and then a quiet but warm weekend ahead. Storm chances look to hold off here in North Texas until Tuesday of next week.